So one of our trainees is actually stuck. The four-wheel drive isn't working, so she's just got two-wheel drive, and she went down into the pit, and it's like really muddy. So we've tried the traction boards. It's no good. It looks like someone's pulling some winch line. So training has turned into actual recovery, which is always fun and exciting, and especially for the trainee, like people are so quick to pull winch line. Like, I'll winch you. So it's gonna be a rainy, wet, miserable, muddy recovery, but everybody's still having such a good time. Might have to back up and give it a little more gusto just because the ground is getting so soft. Don't gun it, but just be a little more assertive. Beautiful. Foot on the brake. Now, so this is not as scary as it seems. We're just going to keep the wheel straight. All right. Doing awesome. Killing it, killing it. Do you feel pretty good about it?
I think so.
And the next time you do this, you're going to be a pro. I'm going to feel good about it. Alright? It's fun. Ah! This stuff seems scary when you're doing it for the first time, but she's building confidence. And before you know it, she's going to be showing other people how to do this stuff.
I feel like these Jeeps are like, they're just built for this, right?
Yeah. No rain, and it's really sunny and really foggy and really beautiful, and it says 4 degrees on my dash. Really good day for some training. I'm been sitting traction boards with this beautiful Subaru. Let's go see.
See, it's starting to move. Yeah. This is a much more controlled way.